So here we start. So first we will make a point in the center and then make eyebrows like this, and then fill it with black. Then we will make small dots for eyes and then two curves like this and a small curve for nose, then mouth. Now we will make face cut like this and we will join all the lines. Now we will make ears. Then we will make the hairs by making this kind of triangle shapes. Okay, and we will continue making hairs by making these triangles from both of the sides. Okay, and here we will join two of the sides like this. Now we will make the neck like this, and then the collarbone and a V shape for the t-shirt like this, and then we will make the t-shirt like this, then this logo on the t-shirt. Now we will make the belt and few rectangles like this. Now we will make the pants by making these curves, and we will join these two like this. Now make two curves in between and few curves here. Now we will make the legs, shoes, and for that you have to do like this. Now we will make hands, and here we will make a stick like this. Okay, and then we will make another hand with his fingers closed, like we have to make a fist. Now we will make the tail like this. Now we will paint yellow in the logo, and then we will paint red in his clothes. So we will paint light red color like this, and we will color the stick with red as well. Then we will paint the tail with brown and dark blue in the belt, in the same color in the hand bands and the shoes. Then we will take dark red and give few shadows like this, and now we will color the hairs black like this. Okay, now we will make skin shade, two skin shades by mixing brown and white color. So for that, for light shade you have to take less brown and more white, and for dark shade you have to take a little more brown, and then color the light shade on full body and then give few shadows with the dark one like this, and then highlight the parts like this, and we are done. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye, see you.